to dig for food in the snow like a human's fingerprints. No two reindeer's antlers are exactly the same. A male reindeer is called a buck, a female reindeer is called a doe, a baby reindeer is called a fawn. Fawn.
Nice.
Do you have any other information that you've learned?
No.
Can you explain your poster a little bit to us?
This is a picture that I made. This I cut out of a magazine, and then my nanny drew this, and then she cut it out. Then we painted it. My nanny helped me. She moved the strokes with me for I could do it better, and I really do it. Then we used brown pipe cleaners for the antlers. Those are mountains that we also cut out of the magazine. This is might be fake moss. That's the sky, and we spelled reindeer bubble letters. That's the male reindeer. That's the female reindeer, and that's the baby reindeer. And this is not in the Arctic. We also cut this out of a magazine. This is not in the Arctic. These are just two pictures of reindeers. Two reindeers in one picture. That's showing the antlers of the reindeer. And these are they say about the hooves here. So I just wanted to cut out these hooves there.
Great job.
Very nice.
And,
So, and reindeer can live all around, not just the Arctic region, but they can be in places like the picture with the grassy field too. Because those are two different habitats right there. Cool. Would you like to answer some questions, please?
AJ. What do the baby reindeers? I forgot what I was going to say. I'll come back to you. Tyler? What do reindeers different foods than grass? They can eat lichen, grass, and a type of moss. We only did the moss.
So they're herbivores. They don't eat meat.
Want to call on somebody else?
Tim. How did you cut it out of the magazine? Well, my nanny helped me.
You just found a picture.
Yeah, but
Okay, another question?
Zoe.
How long does it take till the babies get their antlers?
That's a very good question, but I do not know.
That's a good answer.
One
One more question.
So all the mammals.
Yes.
Yes, they're in the mammal family.
Because of my hair. Oh, my hands are sweating with my
All right, well, let's give Avery a hand